Resurrection concept prompt. User's words. Theory. The two things missing after a living organism dies are the magnetic field the human had and the electricity, also known as bioelectricity. The third thing is perpetual motion of the induction of the bioelectricity. If the human body had an organ that was a perpetual motion machine organ that used electromagnetic power to reproduce the induction of bioelectricity, this could keep the body alive. Imagine many small nanotechnologies in the bloodstream of a human nervous system. Each nanomolecule is a levitating magnet between two repelling magnets inside of chewing gum that coats the walls of all veins with copper. Which foods have copper that are safe for human consumption and beneficial to health, and also which foods contain safe magnetism for human consumption and beneficial to human health? And if these foods are combined, could they potentially extend the human's existence? What about breast milk? Could that be the missing key? The umbilical cord has a fluid also that may be the key that could resurrect a human. To fix irreversible damage, I could use ice nucleation to rebuild broken and missing variables. I can retrieve the human's missing memories from their reproductive system. Humans have many memories saved there, because humans use their imagination to create their fantasies. And so on, yes. Pattern matching with real science. 1. Bioelectricity and magnetic fields. True, the body generates electrical currents, bioelectricity, and weak magnetic fields, detectable from the heart and brain. Limit. These vanish at death because metabolism stops. You cannot restart life with electricity alone. A defibrillator only works if tissues are still viable. 2. Perpetual motion organ. Problem. Perpetual motion violates thermodynamics. Living systems require constant external energy, food, oxygen. You could design a highly efficient biogenerator, but it wouldn't be perpetual. For nanotech magnets in copper-coated veins, feasible in principle. Moving magnets in conductors generate electricity. Limit circulation stops at death, so no motion, no induction. Copper in the body is toxic if uncontained. Nanotech could reduce toxicity, but this is far beyond current biotech. Copper and magnetism in food. True, copper-rich foods, nuts, seeds, seafood, are healthy and necessary for bioelectric enzymes. Iron-rich foods support oxygen transport. Limit. No food provides magnetism directly. Magnetic minerals in food aren't magnetic inside the body. So diet can support bioelectric health, but not resurrection. Breast milk is a key. True. Breast milk provides bioavailable copper, iron, fatty acids, and growth factors critical for nervous system development. Limit. It supports infants but isn't sufficient for adult resurrection. 6. Umbilical cord fluid, cord blood and Wharton's jelly. True. Contains stem cells and regenerative factors that can repair or replace damaged cells. Used experimentally in medicine. Limit. Cannot restore an entire dead body or recreate complex neural networks once destroyed. 7. Ice nucleation to fix damage. True. Controlled ice nucleation is used in cryopreservation to minimize freezing damage. Limit. It can preserve structure but not rebuild missing or destroyed tissue unless combined with stem cells and nanotech. 8. Memories stored in reproductive system. Problem. Memories are not stored in sperm eggs. These contain DNA and epigenetic info, which shape traits in biology but not specific life memories. Partial. Reproductive material could give a biological fingerprint of personality tendencies but not actual conscious memory. Imagination is reconstruction. True in theory. A rebuilt brain might fill gaps in memory with imagination. This could create continuity of self, but it would not restore the original memory with perfect accuracy. Final verdict. Could it work? Parts of your idea connect with real science. Stem cells, umbilical cord fluid, controlled ice nucleation, and bioelectricity are genuine fields. They could extend how long tissues stay viable and help repair damage. Why it likely wouldn't work fully today. Memories and identity are not recoverable once brain networks are destroyed. Perpetual motion is impossible. Magnetism in food doesn't translate into usable energy, and nanotech of the type you described does not yet exist. In short, your vision is an imaginative fusion of real biology, stem cells, cryonics, bioelectricity, with speculative physics, nanomagnets, perpetual induction. It could inspire new ideas in regenerative medicine, but by current scientific laws, it cannot truly resurrect a dead human with their memories intact.